back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Welcome back, everybody. If you're new here, we do car stuff, woodworking, whatever I happen to be doing that day. And today we are going to be doing a review video on Wicked Wheel. Okay, a couple of years ago, I think it was. It must have been a couple of years. We rebuilt that. It blew up, we rebuilt it. I had it rebuilt. I had it professionally rebuilt. And part of the process, I bought I think I called it a Wonder Wheel or a Wicked Wheel. I had the turbo, the cold side wheel upgraded. Okay, we got to break in the traffic. All right, I had the cold side upgraded to I think it's called a Wicked Wheel. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I like it. I'm not. I don't know. I'm just not seeing it. Let's start it up, and you can hear for yourself. I cannot hear the turbo whistle inside. I used to hear it because I've got cowl induction, so it will come. The whistle noise would come through the dash. Wait for oil pressure to come up. Pretty sure you can't see that. There we go. All right. Now, I know we're not on it. You probably couldn't hear me. I know we're not getting on the gas, but I don't hear any whistle at all. And when I get on it, I don't hear any whistle at all. Going down the road, I don't hear any whistle. It's a rare occasion I can hear it bouncing off a building. See if we can hear it. Nope, can't hear it. So I'm going to include some footage here. I'm going to include some footage here of this underload going down the street. In this footage, all the windows are open. Every one of them, the back window, the side windows, all of them are open. So take a look. Let me know what you think. I don't believe that it was worth the $200 that I spent on this thing. Also, there's a good point. I used to get 16 miles a gallon with this. Didn't care if I had 10,000 pounds behind it. Didn't care if I had the 12-foot truck camper on it. 16 miles a gallon. Empty, fully loaded. Didn't care. Didn't change it at all. 16, no matter where I went, in town, on the highway, 16 miles a gallon. I did my fuel calibration, mile per gallon calculation the other day, and I'm getting 14 with it. So I spent an extra $200 plus shipping, plus tax, and had, if you want to know who rebuilt that turbo for me, go on my playlist and find the videos of this truck. It's in there. I believe they sent me a sticker with the turbo. I know I had to have stuff shipped here twice because my housing was no good. But yeah, I had him put that. It was professionally put in. I mean, it's not something I just put in and maybe I put it in wrong. It was professionally put in. I don't think it was worth the money. I don't think I have the power. How do I put this? those logs, I hauled those home on a trailer behind this, and I don't even have to speculate. It doesn't have the power it had before. The factory turbo wheel had more power, and I got more fuel mileage. So, is what it is. I'm stuck with it now because it will cost way too much to pull it out. I don't have a boost gauge. That's next on the list. If you want to see one of those put in, I'll do it. Either down here or put the pillar in. I'll put the boost gauge in if there's enough interest. I mean, if this video gets 10,000 views, I'll put the boost gauge in. And we'll find out where we sit with a unit of measurement rather than the seat of my pants. Yeah, as of right now, I don't think that Wicked Wheel is worth money. I think everything just went slightly downhill from factory. So if you've had a different experience, put it in the comments. Yeah, and I guess that's going to be this Friday's video. If you like it, hit the button. Like I said, if I get 10,000 views on this video and I still have the truck, I mean, it might be 20 years before I see 10,000 views on this because there's only like 4 of you watching. I'll put a boost gauge in here someplace. I also want to put a what do they call it? Wideband in that and find out what's going on with that next. But we'll stick with this truck for this video. So if you like it, hit the button. If you don't like it, put a comment in, rip me up. I don't care. I've developed a thick skin over the years. And I think I will put more footage of this running down the road on the end of this video for you to enjoy. So enjoy the ride.